Hey Valorant players, seeing the error you need to have a Vanguard running to play? Don't worry, I have got a quick fix for you. Let's get started. The simplest solution is to restart your computer. Write Vanguard, Valorant, and the cheat system starts automatically when your PC boots. A restart usually fixes the issue. If restarting doesn't work, you can manually start Vanguard. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Riot Vanguard under the Sub Services tab. Right click it and select Start. Still having trouble? Uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard. Go to Control Panel, then Programs. Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. Relaunch Valorant and it will reinstall Vanguard for you. Lastly, run Valorant as an administrator. Right-click the Valorant icon on your desktop, select Run as administrator, and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Vanguard error and get you back in the game. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.